twin 50 horsepower motors are pre-wired. They've already got the watertight cable on them, and then each motor has 3 leads. They're color coded and numbered, and when we put into the electrical box, we'll show you how to hook them in. The box will be numbered also. This is the large hopper. I believe it's 8 foot by 8 foot on the opening. It's made for the big forklift dump hopper to dump into it. It's welded, and the bottom, it was a solid piece. So what we did, we cut it right at this level right here. So if you're going to use the big hopper, you just set it back on and weld it back around the perimeter of the small hopper. If you want to fab something different, there's plenty of material in the big hopper to fab a different configuration if you want. But it's just a simple weld right through there to get the big hopper on. So I've put down 4 1-inch thick steel pads, leveled them up. That's actually an aluminum plate right there with a piece of 2-inch steel on it. And so we're just going to set the shredder on there, show you guys how easy it is to set this thing up. Preferably, it was on a 10-inch thick concrete slab, or you can do like 2 by 2 by 3 foot footings, or 3 by 3 by 2 footings concrete. But if you're just going to temporarily set it up, you can just slap it down on some road plate and she'll just do just fine. I would weld it. If you're going to put it on road plate, I would go ahead and weld them down, but that just is sufficient stability to it. That center one is just some shim plates for us. Standing underneath the shredder, you basically have bolt holes that bolt stand to the shredder on top. I think there's 8. Pretty simple. When the crane's centered on, we'll put the bolts through the hole right here and bolt it down. And that's all the attachment there is. You have a flange on the discharge chute, so if you want to put a conveyor belt or something to keep the stuff from popping out, you can put a conveyor belt here, or a metal sheet, which we'll probably use a metal sheet when we put this up. Stand is super heavy duty. It's 8 by 8 I-beam. This stand here weighs in right at 5,000 pounds. And the stand is 8 foot wide by 11 feet long. And it's all welded. Bolt holes on the shredder itself, they will bolt to the stand. the underside view of the shredder. Dual shaft. It's got the cutting fingers in it. Run some tires through there. 2.5 inch wide teeth on it, or blades. This is the business end where it all comes out.